All right, it's chicken update time. You can see how the flock is doing here. They're doing good. We're getting eggs now. I'm so happy. We're actually up to a full dozen of eggs. Woo-woo. And I'm looking in there. I think I see some eggs. Let me see. Let's go. You go. Does it open from the back, Dan?
No.
What? No? Dang it, man. I don't want to walk in there in bare feet. I don't want to walk in chicken poop.
Could be walking out here at all and get all the pinworms.
Great. Now you jinxed me now. All right, Dan's going to go check. See if we have any eggs. I'm pretty sure I see 2 back there at least. Come back around this way. We got, looks like a blue one, a brown one. Is that it?
That's it.
Other side, nothing?
Other side, nothing.
2 eggs this morning.
Look out, girls. Look out, Ronnie.
Show them our eggs, babe.
Ooh.
Oh. There's our 2 eggs. Boop, boop. They're still tiny. So those of you out there that know chickens, will they get bigger the older the chickens get? Is that how this works? Like, what's going on? It's up here on her roost. We have a chicken swing, but I don't think they use it, do they? Yeah. Our daughter got us a chicken swing, but I don't know. I haven't seen a
Swingers, babe.
chicken swinging. No, they're not swingers. Come on, go on the swing. Go on the swing. Nope. They're like, I don't think so. No swinging for me. So I think we lucked out and we might just have all hens except for our 1 rooster we know we have, but we thought a couple might be coming roosters. Might be roosters, not become. They're going to be a rooster if they're a rooster. But none of them are crowing except for Ronnie.
A couple of them got them big combs on them.
I know, that's why I don't know. Got some fresh water, some fresh food this morning.
Give them some food yet.
Mind your way, baby. They're like, come on, where's breakfast?
How about some snacks first? Get out of my way.
All right.
Get out of my way.
They love these worm things. What are those?
They're
Mealworm kind of a thing?
Yeah.
They love those. Enjoying their snack.
That keeps them busy while I get them fed.
Yeah. I keep getting in your way, sorry. I was just trying to film the chickens. Chicken update. Yeah, you can't leave that door open. They'll be out running around. That would be something to film then. Next time one gets out and you're chasing it, babe, let me know so I can film you.
I'll call Franny and let her do the chasing.
Oh yeah, our dog likes to, she thinks she's like a herding dog, chicken hawk kind of herding. Herds the chickens back, which is great help. Here comes Roland coming to see
Don't you try it.
what's going on. Someone trying to sneak out. Is that the runner?
Yeah.
There's Roland. He's like, what's going on? All right.
Who's getting a snack?
He's like, I want a snack. Is that what you're saying, Roland? You want a snack? Yeah. All right. Oh, yeah. Tell him. Tell him you want a snack. Yeah? Okay. All right. So there's our chickens.